Maw of the Universe 4.
Saltine in the crackers, empanadas with the chimichangas, snorkels on the shelf, shuttlecock in the badminton, spatulas in the kitchen, gong in the instrument, beans in the dish, flour on the pancake, durian in the kitchen, lord in the tub, pangolins in the forest, lost students in the Antarctica, corn in the fashion, Gorgon beer, Chris Dennis with the Vegeta, cricket in the night, swords in the shield, pickets in the mines, thumbtack in the pen, food in the restaurant, nuggets in the meal, tissues in the box, gasoline in the station, eggs on the pan, avocados in the guacamole, mammoths in the ice age, peas in the beans, pine cones from the tree,